You're welcome to my channel again. My name is Kamsy, and today I'll be cooking Ogbono Soup, another Nigerian delicacy. It's a soup you can eat with garri, pounded yam, semovita, wheat, any of the above, any at all. The choice is yours. So I'm just gonna go through with you with everything I'm gonna be using to make my soup. See you. So I've got the beef tripe, my red meat, cow red meat, fresh fish, palm oil, salt, maggi, leaf, scotch bonnet blended with onion. My husband actually likes his ogbono with onion. He likes the flavor of onion in it. I've got the stockfish, and I've got the catfish fillet. Then I've got my crayfish. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start by cooking the beef tripe again first before cooking before joining in the red meat. Oh, I forgot to show you my cow leg. I've also got my cow leg here. Yeah, it's going to the soup too. So I've got the beef tripe, I've got the cow leg, the stockfish, red meat, cow meat, and fresh fish, scotch bonnet, the leaf, the maggi, and the salt, and the palm oil. Yeah, that's all I'll need for my soup. So right now I have already put my cow meat inside. As you can see, it's cooking nice and soft, so I will have to go in with my stockfish and my catfish fillet. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this to cook and get soft while I do something else. So right now I'm going to be adding my crayfish. This is a blended crayfish. Yeah, it's a crayfish blended. So I added more water, but I'm going in with the fresh fish. The reason why I'm putting in the fresh fish now is because I didn't want it to get scattered in the pot as in pieces. I would like having it full, as in whole, as it's like as it is like this. I like having it like this while I'm eating. I don't like looking for my fish in my soup, and especially when the kids want just the fish. You know, you need to give it to them as it is. So after this boils, the next thing that is going to go in is going to be the cow leg. Yeah, that will be the next thing. Then the oil and the rest of the ingredients. So, and for those who don't know what ogbono is, this is ogbono, but I'm sorry, this is already blended because this one was brought all the way from Nigeria, so it's already blended. And yeah, but if you go to the store, the African stores, you will see the whole ones that is not blended. But right here is ogbono. This is why we call the soup I'm preparing ogbono. This is the main ingredient of the soup. It's ogbono. In Nigeria, I really don't know which states that eats this as their traditional meal, but I think it should be Anambra State. I don't know, but this is ogbono. This is already blended, and this is the main ingredient of the soup I'm making. So yeah, but I'm going to put in the scotch bonnet now because as you can see, fish is already in. So here is scotch bonnet with onion blended. Like I said earlier, my husband loves onion in his ogbono. He just loves the flavor it gives and the smell. So yeah, that is it. That's it. So stay in the cooking process. So I took out the fish, yeah, because I don't want it to be scattered. So I will put in my cow leg now. Yeah. Wait for it to get cooked with the other stocks, and then that's the fish, the stockfish, the dry catfish, my beef, and my beef tripe. So yeah, I'm just gonna put in 1 cube of Maggi, yeah, just to put it there so it gets cooked and has taste. I don't like eating meat in my soup or in any food at all, and I don't feel the taste of salt or the taste of Maggi. Not really like Maggi or salt, but I really don't like eating meat and getting the plain taste of meat, you know. I just like it flavored and everything. So yeah, I wish you guys were here to perceive the smell. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So I'm going to be putting my palm oil, the carotino palm oil, yeah, not really much, but that should be enough because I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I'm supposed to take just 2 spoons of this to put into my soup. Yeah, but I'll have to improvise like I did already because my hand was busy. One is busy, one is holding the camera. Yeah, so I will have to put back the fish. Yeah, then this is boiled, cooked together. Now I'll go in with the ogbono, that is the main ingredient. I'm going in now with my ogbono, which is the main ingredient, like I said. Oh la la, oh la la, shows. Oh my goodness. So I will just show you the end product, as in the final product at the end of the video, to see how my ogbono came out. Thank you. This is the final product of my soup, my ogbono soup, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to be having this now, and you see the fish is full. See the cow leg, see the stockfish. Yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for seeing how I make my ogbono soup, my Nigerian ogbono soup. Kindly give it a thumbs up, kindly subscribe to my channel, and you press the notification button so you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.